Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Linux Mint 22 operating system. But the process is same on all Linux Mint operating system. First, open any web browser, go to jenkins.io, then click on download or documentation. Both are same, so click on documentation, then select the installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See here, Jenkins installer are available for several Linux distributions like Debian or Ubuntu, Fedora, RHL and derivatives. Okay, but I am on Linux Mint. Okay, so open terminal more/etc os-release. See, the code names for the Linux Mint are Wilma or Noble. These two are for Debian, so we can select Debian or Ubuntu, so there will be no issue. Okay, so and prerequisites are 256 MB of RAM and 1 GB drive space. These are minimum hardware requirements, but recommended is 4 GB of RAM and 50 GB of drive space. Then see here, only software requirement we need to is Java requirement. Click on it. See, we must have installed these Java versions for these respective Jenkins versions. Okay, so we are going to install Java JDK 17. So go to terminal, Control A. First verify whether we have any Java version. See, there is no Java version is installed. So I am going to install this OpenJDK JRE headless. It is sufficient. Okay, copy this one, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. We have successfully installed Java JDK 17. Now verify. See, we have installed OpenJDK 17. So prerequisites match. Now go back. Click on Linux. So then click on Debian or Ubuntu. See, these are the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Even if you go back home, then click on download. Then see here, we have the download Jenkins. This is LTS is the stable version. Okay, LTS is the long-term version and this is the development version. So we have to click on Ubuntu or Debian. Click on it. See, we got the same. See that also redirected to same page. So we are going to install this long-term support release. So we have to copy these commands one by one. So up to this null single command. Copy this entire command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control L. Next, update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. It is done. Now install the Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. See, we are installing Jenkins version 2.479. This is the latest stable version or LTS version. We have successfully installed Jenkins. Type Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.479. Control A. Now check the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins service is running and it is enabled. And also notice here, this is the initial password. You can also get this initial password. I will show you. So installation is completed. Now we have to configure. Go to new tab, then give localhost, then give port number 8080. Hit enter. See, it is there in this location. Same password we can get from this file. So copy it. Sudo more paste it. Sudo more, copy this one, paste it, hit enter. See, this password and this password both are same, so copy it, then paste this administrator password here and click on continue. Now we have to customize the Jenkins. We have two options: install suggested plugins and select the plugins to install. So I'm going to install suggested plugins. Later we can install the plugins as per your choice. So at this time I'm going to install the suggested plugins. Click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. Okay. Now we have to create admin user. So I'm giving username as Jenkins admin. Name can be anything. Username can be anything. Then provide the password for this username. Confirm the same. Give the full name Jenkins administrator. Email. Then click on save and continue. See, password mismatch. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, copy it and save and finish. Click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. See, here we have the new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my use, build queue and build execution status. And see, here we can create jobs, set up agent. Okay, we have different options. Click on manage Jenkins. See, we have a number of options. Suppose if you want add plugins, you have to click on plugins, and if you want modify or create user permissions, you have to click on here. Okay, if you want to add or remove nodes, Jenkins nodes, you have to click on here. It is up to you. So click on users. See, this is the user that we have created. If you want to create users, click on users. Then you have to click on create user. Okay, so the last option is, suppose if you stop Jenkins, now status is started. Okay, see, now Jenkins is started. Also see here that password is gone. It is temporary password. Control it. You have to remember the password that we have given for this Jenkins administrator to log in. Now sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. Sorry, reload. See, Jenkins is unable to connect. Okay, even we can check the status. See, Jenkins service is start. Okay, so start it again. Replace this to start. Now reload the page. Now we have to provide the username that we have created, that is Jenkins admin I have given. Then provide the password that you have given for this user. Not now. See, we have successfully connected to Jenkins dashboard. Okay, if you want to restart, use sudo systemctl restart Jenkins. Hit enter. It is typo. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins service is running. Refresh here. See, again we have to log in. Okay, so quit to quit. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.